How's it going, everybody? You're watching Dan About Tech, and today I'll show you the best iPhone hidden tips and tricks of 2019, and I bet you don't know a lot of them. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I want to talk about screenshots. So if I take a normal screenshot right here on my iPhone, you can see that I have a miniature of the image I just took. And if you tap and hold on that image, you can see that you open up the share sheet. And right here you can share with many different apps and you have different options of saving that image. And the cool thing is, just by tapping and holding, you skip a lot of steps. So you don't have to tap on the image and then go here on the share button and then you have the share sheet. So it's just a very easy shortcut for your screenshots. Now I want to talk about warranty. If you wanted to check the warranty on your iPhone before, you needed to go to your computer. But now all you have to do is go to your settings, and then you're going to scroll down to general, and then all the way up about, the first one, and then you're going to see here limited warranty right there. And as you guys can see, it expires on the 6th of March of 2020, as you guys can see right there. So this is a very easy way to see when your warranty expires. You can also check all your Apple Care Plus information right here as well. I don't have Apple Care Plus, but you could check it right here as well. Now this one I honestly love. So we all know that if you want to move icons around, all you have to do is tap and hold. And then we open this wiggle mode, and then we can just move it around and then move to another page. We all know that, but what not everyone knows is that when you're here in this wiggle mode and you just tap on any icon and then move it a little bit, you can see that the X icon disappears. And when the X icon disappears, you can group icons. So you can just tap on this one and then let's see, tap on this one and this one and this one and this one. And as you guys can see, I have 6 icons right here. I have a group of icons that I can move in one go. So I can just leave them here. And then as you guys can see, I have moved 6 icons in just one go. Instead of going one by one, which is very, very annoying, it takes a lot of time. Now I want to talk about folder notifications. So as you guys can see here, I have this one folder with 6 apps and I have 19 notifications. But I don't know exactly which notifications are for each app. So all I have to do is 3D touch. So tap and hold with a little bit of force. And I can see here that I have 15 for WhatsApp, 2 for YouTube, and 2 for Instagram. Now this one you can thank me in the comment section below. So we all hate so much when we are using some app, any app, we are playing a game or whatever, and then we get that annoying pop-up saying, would you like to rate this game? Would you like to rate this app? Please write a review. This is so annoying, and we always get that on every single app. But I have a way that you will never get those messages anymore. All you have to do is go to your settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to iTunes and App Store, and then you're going to see right here at the bottom in-app ratings and reviews. All you have to do is turn that off, and you'll never get those annoying pop-ups, those messages asking you to rate some app or write a review. You're not going to be bothered at all. Another hidden trick that I love is here in our calendar. So let's say you want to create a new calendar. So you open it up one, and then you open this information tab right here, this information page, and then you want to set when the event starts and when it ends. So you tap here, and then you can change whenever it starts or when it ends. But we all know that you cannot set a precise time. You always have to go 5 minutes by 5 minutes. But if you actually double tap here on this minute little roll thing, you can get minute by minute. So that's a little hidden trick, and if you use calendars a lot like I do, this is very handy, and I bet you're gonna like that. Now I want to talk about Safari. So when you're browsing the web with your iPhone, you always get the mobile version of websites. As you guys are seeing here, Guardian Mobile, you always get the mobile version, but sometimes you want to see the full version, the desktop site. And how do you do that? It's very easy. All you have to do is tap and hold here on the refresh arrow. So tap and hold, and you're gonna see this pop-up menu saying request desktop site. You tap here, and it's gonna reload with the desktop site. Keep in mind that some websites, it doesn't change at all, like you see here, it didn't change. But if the website enables, this feature will work. I tried with many different sites, some of them do, some of them don't, so it's a matter of try and error, okay? Now, since we're here in Safari, I want to talk about tabs. So right here is the tab button, and if you tap and hold on the tab button, you can see you have some different options. You have the option to close all of your tabs. I have 11 tabs at the moment. close only this tab. You can open a new private tab in the private mode, so you get that private tab where you don't record your history and stuff, and you can open a new tab as well. And since we're talking about tabs, if you normal tap on the tab button, you guys are gonna see all your tabs. We all know this, but what not everyone knows is that if you keep pulling down, you're gonna see right here search tabs, this little hidden menu, and you can actually very easily search for a website. So for example, if you have a lot of tabs here and you know you have this one web page that is already opened, you can just search. So if I search Google, for example, so Google, you can see that it opens all of my google.com pages. All of these are google.com, so this is very handy. And also, another thing that's very handy, if you tap and hold on the cancel button right here, you can close all tabs matching your search, so matching Google. So it's another very easy way to manage your tabs. Now this one is regarding keyboard, and I've showed you this feature before, but now I have an extra feature on that, so have a look. So we all know that if you're using a 3D Touch compatible device, and if you want to scrub through your tasks with your cursor, all you have to do is tap and hold on your keyboard, and then you can move it around. Everyone knows that. Not everyone knows that you can actually force touch a little bit more, so use a little bit more force, and then you're gonna select your text. Okay, not everyone knows that, but a lot of people also know that. But what not everybody knows is that if we're using a non-compatible 3D Touch device, like an older iPhone or even an iPhone XR, you can do this scrubbing the same way, but instead of force touching on anywhere on your keyboard, you can just tap and hold on your space key, so then you can just move it around the same way. Okay, if you're doing this on a 10R. And also very interesting is that if you open the scrubbing mode on a 10R, since you don't have force touch, so since you can't press even further, all you have to do is tap with another finger anywhere on your screen, and then you're gonna get that effect. For me, it's a little bit difficult to show because this phone has 3D Touch, but you can test on your iPhone XR and let me know, because this one is very quick and very handy. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also, please make sure to put your mouse on top of my face right here, click on the subscribe button, and then click on the little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. You'll be the first person to see it. And of course, please click on this video right here. I got it just for you, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye bye.